The secret to amazing ads isn't rocket science, it's just low cost per click. And how to lower cost per click might seem difficult, but it's not. You're just going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're there, you're going to go to Advertising, Campaign Manager. Once you're a campaign manager, it's going to look something like this. And you can see with a low cost per click, we're able to achieve 7% ACoS all year round. Maybe even lower depending on what time of the year it is. But what we're going to do is we're going to run our campaign, whatever campaigns are running. We're going to right click on one of them, right? We'll zoom in and we're going to right click on one of them and we're going to open up a new tab. Once you open it in a new tab, it's going to look something like this where it shows, okay, you got your campaign running, you're in your ad, okay? Now, this default bid, this is not the correct area to change it, all right? So you're going to actually, you have to click on the total targets. Click on the total targets, right click, open these total targets. There's 2 of them right now on this campaign. We're going to open it. Bada bing, here we are. And this, my friends, where it says bid, this is where you change it. Now, the suggested bid, as you can see, this one's 86 cents per, which is just completely absurd. If we were spending 86 cents, we would be making almost no money, probably no money at all. Compared to our cost per click right now is 7 cents. Even if we scroll up, this one is 34 cents suggested bid. And yes, we got it all the way down to 3 cents. And in the last 30 days, how many impressions do we have? 38,000 people saw the ad. 38,000. And we're only charged per click. And that's why the ACoS is so good. The ROAS is so good. We spent $34, made $529 a return. And it's just one campaign out of many. So what you want to do is you want to obviously start above your suggested bid. Once the campaign starts running, very slowly, turtle pace, decreasing that cost per click. And then you're going to find that sweet spot. And then you want to get there. And then once people start running out of stock, especially during the holiday season, and you're still in stock, Amazon's going to prioritize your ads. And then you can lower your bids even lower to like a 3% or 3 cents, all the way down to 2 cents is the lowest you can go cost per click. And then you could just maintain it there because now you kind of are ingrained in Amazon's algorithm and their system, and potentially it will run long term. Now, it's not going to be perfect, but the more ads you have like this, the easier it is to succeed, because depending on paying 2 cents versus $1, it's a no-brainer. 50 clicks at 2 cents equals $1. 1 click at $1 equals $1. You do the math. That's it for today's video. But if you do need help on Amazon, yes, we specialize in ads, inventory, optimization, everything under the sun regarding Amazon. Just click the link in the description to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.